Well, my neighbor just got in his car, but I'm not sure if you heard that. It's still going on. I think there is a tornado siren going off somewhere. Definitely a test. Don't know where it's at. It's definitely not one of our sirens. Like if Orville even ever does anything with them anyway. Except for let them run for like 3 seconds and then turn them off. But don't know of any sirens over there. Right over there is south, I believe, and that's where the Beaver Street Thunderbolt is. It's right down there at the end of my street. But I don't know what siren is going off, but it sounds like there's a siren. Be quiet so you can hear it. Dargos wants to go inside. Definitely hearing something. That was supposed to be finished yesterday. I left tools out here overnight. Let me fix that. But yeah, and there's more tools in there. I'm gonna go inside and upload this